During the holiday season, our convection ovens are the stars of the kitchen. With convection, we know our roasts will be succulent and juicy and that we can cook on multiple trays at one time, so all our side dishes are done at the same time. And we can load the oven up with our favorite holiday desserts and treats. But now that the holidays are over, don't forget about your oven. After all, it has many more uses than just cooking a great turkey or prime rib. Winter is the season for comfort foods, and your convection oven is the best tool for easily cooking a variety of warming meals. Here are some options to consider. When we cook in convection, heated air is circulated around the oven, cooking food evenly, making it easy to cook multiple dishes at one time. Whole roast chicken or chicken pieces and roasted vegetables are perennial favorites, but convection is also ideal for pork tenderloin, pork chops or fish, and for a special meal, you might want to try slow-cooked beef sirloin roast with steakhouse potatoes and asparagus. It's a great treat. Braising is one of the most rewarding methods of cooking. The initial cooking phase, when the meat is seared, is fairly quick, and after that, once the liquids and the aromatics are added, the pan goes in the oven for long, slow cooking that tenderizes the meat. How does convection help? Well, it doesn't cook the meat any faster, but that circulating heat means you can easily braise on multiple trays at one time. After all, nothing beats having a variety of delicious home-cooked meals on hand ready to enjoy. So, making one, consider making two. Baking in convection gives you the option to bake on multiple trays at one time without ever having to rotate the position of the trays. So why bake one tray of muffins when you can load the oven up with a variety of breakfast treats? Items such as muffins, egg bites, and breakfast oatmeal bars. They bake at the same temperature, so it makes it easy to keep the freezer stocked with those wonderful healthy breakfast options. Now, when it comes to roasting vegetables, convection is hands down the best mode to use. Cooking with convection prevents moisture loss, which translates to better flavor and texture. A medley of roasted seasonal vegetables makes a perfect side or main dish, and for added flavor, vegetables can also be roasted for soups, and of course to serve over grain bowls or with salads. Lastly, we have broiling. Now, broiling brings out the great flavor in food because of the high temperatures, and broiling some seafood to add to a simple pasta dish, served with your favorite pasta sauce, is a fast and easy way to make a great meal. Successful cooking starts with a cooking plan. So take the time to plan to cook some of your favorite foods and put your oven to work. As I explained, it has all the tools to help you. The minimal effort is definitely worth the great results. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.